I'd like to just take a minute to show you how robust this program is and what you can expect to experience once you've put in the hard work of sorting and tagging. So this is my computer structure, and right now we're on my F drive, and I have a Digi Supplies folder. In my Digi Supplies folder, I have all of these subfolders, and we're going to be looking at my Tools folder. Those are all my CU products, and it's one of the largest files I have here, and so that's why I'm choosing that one to work with, so you can just see how fast the program is. It has 521 gigabytes of data, 313,540 files, and 26,426 folders. So that is a lot of information it's going to have to sort through whenever I ask it a question. So let's go ahead and go over to my tools. This is my tools folder. And you can see in my tools folder I have all of these items right here. When I first started with ACDSee, I had previously been filing all my supplies in folders. I had an alpha folder, beads and stones, bling, borders and trims, etc. When I changed over to ACDSee, I knew that I wouldn't be able to take the time to tag all of my previews or items fast enough for me to be able to put everything in one folder. And so I kept my subfolders because it enabled me to work in ACDSee but still be able to find things in a folder if I needed to. So that's why they are in subfolders. You can put your products in subfolders if you like, and if you don't, one main folder would be just fine. So let's go ahead and say I am looking for some flowers. This is called an easy select tag, and all I need to do is click that, and now all of my flowers that I have tagged, all the previews that I have tagged, show up here. And that's how easy it is. Say I wanted to find a denim flower, and now it's sorting through all those 26,426 folders to find anything that's tagged with the keyword denim. Now these are my denim file folders for flowers. Anything that has the word denim in it in your computer structure, though, it will find for you. And as a designer, sometimes that's fun, probably even as a scrap or two, because you might say, hey, I need some denim flowers, but maybe this denim texture will show up, and you might be able to use that in your scrapbook page or your Digi-Kit as well. You can also have subfolders for your flowers, and I have selected the ones that work best for me. So say I wanted to find paper flowers, I will turn off this because this is showing me all of the flowers, and now I just want the paper flowers to show up. So anything that I have tagged as a paper flower now is going to show up. If I want to see paper and felt, I would choose them both. If I want to just see the felt, I'll turn off the paper. So that's how fast it is to find what you need, and that hopefully will make it a little more exciting for you when you start doing your tagging, because you'll know, oh my gosh, this is going to make my life so easy.